Kelly. I just got a new delivery from Amazon. It's air filters for my air conditioner. So as you can see, the box is really packaged nicely. An opening. And I want to keep them in here because I got like a 4-pack of them or something. So I'm going to try to keep the box nice. And once you get it open, well, the box opens up like this, and you can physically just pull one out, and they're ready to go. It looks good. All right, so with that, I'm gonna give this a like 2 thumbs up. These are nice looking air filters, and they're gonna fit perfectly. And thank you for watching.